Hey, welcome to another unboxing on the formerly known show. Today I got AEW former women's champ Riho. This outfit is from October 2nd of 2019 episode of Dynamite. Looks like she's fighting Nyla Rose. Yeah. At the time, she was the AEW Women's Champion. Pretty cool figure. Let's crack her open. This is my first female figure for AEW. I guess there's only Brandy Rhodes and her, and then just announced Hikaru Shida. It's coming in, I think it's Series 5? Series 6. I think Series 6. Yeah. So far I got Pac. Now I have Riho. Got Orange Cassidy already and Darby Allin. The Young Bucks, I don't care for. I've seen them in the store, but I just didn't grab them. Maybe if I see them again, if there's a restock, maybe then I'll pick them up. But as for now, I'm not in too much of a hurry to pick them up. There she is. Look, she comes with like a bunch of sets of hands. 2 extra sets of hands. I haven't seen many of her matches. I don't know if she's on much anymore. So I'm not too familiar with her. But I do like her style. Her outfit seems pretty cool. And at one point she was the women's champion, so gotta give her props for that. And this is just like it's a soft rubber, so moves around and move it around and whatnot, but can't take it off. That stays on. She's got underwear or whatever on underneath, trunks, whatever you want to call them. Yeah, she's got an open left hand, a closed right hand, and then 2 open hands there. Let's check out this belt. Yeah, if you can see it, just says AEW on there. I assume it would be too small to write anything else on there. There's just the holes and the pegs here. Yeah, it's a good looking belt. Good looking women's championship belt. Since she is the only woman wrestler I have for AEW, she'll probably be keeping the belt. Sits a little high on her waist, but that's just because her skirt there. I like these little, whatever they're, wrist thingies. I think those are super cool. Even her shoulder, she has some shoulder tassels. Yeah, this is a really cool looking figure. And there we have AEW Women's Champion Riho. I'm not going to take all the hands out because I'm going to leave the hands she has. I'm not going to take them out just to put them back in. Leave them in the case, in the box. Yeah. If I could get the belt lower, like around her, on her skirt or whatever, that's all she'll be displayed. So just going right into the collection there with the other wrestlers. It's a nice addition to my collection.